Today I will be eating. So, okay, eating right now. Look, my food. Okay, so just gonna watch me eat. I love meat. I love ham. Really, I always forget what it is called. Anyways, I have my water. Okay guys, I'm back. I just came from the restroom. I just came from the CR. What's your favorite food? I like ham. Ham only. And hot dog. Only. I have a break because it's Holy Week. Do you guys have a break because of Holy Week? I kinda wanna go back to school. Meet my friend. And then if you are watching this, I'm gonna make a room tour today, but I'll make it later after I eat or something. Anytime, just wait. Okay, bye guys. I never want. The videos usually take for a long time, right? Comment down below what time everyone's video ends. Guys, I have to answer my math question. No, I don't want. Mary only knows that I'm bad at math. I don't know why, but it is a good picture, but I don't know why. Guys, comment down below what so guys, how much money do you have? Because I have no. Guys, comment down below who's your crush. I'm gonna say mine in the comments too. Because. And what grade are you? Okay, bye guys. It's already had been 4 minutes.